Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me no man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we here with Deva Bratt. West was one. Yes. So this one has been heavily requested in the comment section, but I've been searching for a clean version, a clean cut of it, but we couldn't find it. So this is the best I was able to do, so that's why I'm here. Also, let me know if you would like me to do a reasoning with Deva Bratt on the channel. If you want to say yes, we're going to line it up and make it happen. So comment section, just get active and say reasoning. You understand? So if you don't want the reasoning, just give everybody the go live, give him the platform, make him say what he must say. You see me? Ask him from them time till now, what has there been? You know the full story, going. We want to know. So if you don't want to know like how me want to know, make we know. In the comment section, put reasoning. Yeah. Let's jump in. I want to do and see what the G have to say. West was one. This one was heavily requested, like I said. Let's go.
Then me we kill them, just tell me why you deal with me. Have things to deal with me, have bills to deal with. Just keep it real with me, you want me deal with it. Let me tell them what I deal with it. We take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger respond. Me Smith a Wesson to give them a lesson, me no bless man. Me right through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head them of a million. Panda man you wanted by the bounties, and gangsters in Piang. Me ask them in name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say cause I am. Me once I go up and riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a albino and him and me game. Pines in a foot in face shot in the paper. Put one in mind, make them continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman, inna the baby inna the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun no time. And a tree store we building him chop off and chop lamb. One inna the out there. You know what's it like? I'm go suck up my Amazon, so make up my Remington when you get from the Mexican. No 20 piece of.
Clap. Oi!
I am the man Then me we kill them, just tell me why you deal with me. Have things to deal with me, have bills to deal with. Just keep it real with me, you want me deal with it. Let me tell them what I deal with it. We take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger respond. Me Smith a Wesson to give them a lesson, me no bless man. Me right through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head them of a million. Panda man you wanted by the bounties, and gangsters in Piang. Me ask them in name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say cause I am. Me once I go up and riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a albino and him and me game. Pines in a foot in face shot in the paper. Put one in mind, make them continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman, inna the baby inna the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun no time. And a tree store we building him chop off and chop lamb. The one inna the out there. You know what's it like? I'm go suck up my Amazon sound like a my Remington when you get from the mix.
Hold on, I will say out clear, the Da Vinci. I will say,
no 20 piece of peso fi bring on me the man. So no ask for them on the pan. Popcorn in a face from my bar, them reckon up with them the pan. You need the money, I'm a desk man.
Jamaica's worst gamer.
Clap popcorn in a face where them the pan. We need the money, man. I'm a desk man, I'm a desperate man. I wear the blood clot. This.
Now with them the pan, you need the money. Popcorn in a face from my bar, them reckon up with them the pan. You need the money, I'm a desk man. Me and the gun married, me and the crew man best man. In the Wild West, we have the vilest quickest man. Kick the bloody casino, me no ask questions. I team a gamble, we dirty Harry and Charles Branson. The one of them a scatter, him say, oh yeah, where you from? We tell him say, me represent the crucial plan.
Lyrics!
Then me we kill them, just tell me why you deal with me. Have things to deal with me, have bills to deal with. Just keep it real with me, you want me deal with it. Let me tell them what that deal.
Ready?
We take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger respond. Me Smith a Wesson to give them a lesson, me no bless man. Me right through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head them of a million. Panda man you wanted by the bounties, and gangsters in the hang. Me ask them in name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say cause I am. Me once I go up and riding past Stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a albino and the man me game. Pines in a foot in face shot in the big pan. Put one in line, make them continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman, inna the baby, inna the pram. I try to up a star, me shoot the gun, no time. And a tree store, we building him chop off and chop lamb. The one inna the out there, you know I sit no like Pam. Go so cut my hammer stamp sound like a bomb. My Remington when me get from the Mexican. No 20 piece of peso fi bring one me military man. So no axe whatever they pan. Clap popcorn inna face, from my bar them work and with them the pan. You need the money, I'm a desk man. Me and me gun married, me and the crew man best man. Inna the wild west, we have the vilest quickest man.
Road.
The casino, me no ask questions. Like him a gamble, we dirty Harry and Charles Branson. The one that them a scatter him say, who you where you from? Me tell him say me represent the crucial plan. Try fi offer me a drink, I try fi pull the first one. Me set him, now give me some whiskey, now give me the vibes one. Me know say him a Judas double cross, and if a snake in the grass, that double blast, they gonna be the last one.
Hey hungry, you come to die, like all your friends, like a little pig. Sis enough.
What's my other one now?
Then we kill them, just tell me why you deal with me. Have things to deal with me, have bills to deal with. Just keep it real with me, you want me deal with it. Then we kill them, just tell me why you deal with me. Have things to deal with me, have bills to deal with. Just keep it real with me, you want me deal with it. Let me tell them what that deal with it. Then we kill them, just tell me why you deal with me. Have things to deal with me, have bills to deal with. Just keep it real with me, you want me deal with it. Let me tell them what that deal with it. Me take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger respond. Me Smith a Wesson to give them a lesson, me no bless man. Me right through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head them of a million. Panda man you wanted by the bounties, and gangsters in the hang. Me ask them in name and them say last man stand.
Bumbleclad. Now me see one who want me react to it. Now I see. I see badness about to unfold. Musical war taking out of control. Bumbleclad. Yo! What more can I do over here? What more can I do? What more do I want to do? What do I want to do? Let me know, man. Let me know if you know what. Hear me what I reasoning with the G. Live, on the live. You know? I'm still alive. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. You hear that? Never make up yourself. Crucial conflict. Out. Yeah.
Jamaica's verse gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.